Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the real-world strategies for landing a UX design job in today's competitive market. Recent studies show that the UX design job market has become increasingly competitive, with the demand for skilled professionals rising by 22% over the past few years. If you are feeling overwhelmed or unsure about where to start, you are definitely not alone. But we are going to skip over some of the basics that everyone knows they should do, like showcasing your design process, networking, and building an online presence. They are important, but they are pretty well understood by most job seekers. We will also skip the tips that require a long-term strategy, such as engaging in UX design forums or creating a personal UX blog. These can be time-consuming and might not always be the most practical for especially immediate job search. Instead, let's get very practical and define exactly what you need to do to find a UX design job. I'm not afraid of making mistakes or looking a little foolish, and that's actually my superpower. And it can be yours too. Don't be afraid to take bold steps and try new things, even if it just feels uncomfortable. That courage can set you apart and help you land the job you deserve. Here are 5 less obvious strategies that can make a big difference in your job search. But most importantly, you should keep reminding yourself to never allow job rejections to pull you down. You only need one yes, one interview, and one offer. Specialize on one particular niche. Specializing in a niche area within UX can significantly increase your attractiveness to potential employers. In today's job market, companies are looking for designers who have specific expertise that aligns with their unique industry needs. By focusing on a niche such as UX for healthcare apps, fintech, or e-commerce, you demonstrate a deep understanding of the challenges and opportunities within that field. And this targeted expertise can make you the ideal candidate for the roles where industry-specific knowledge is crucial. So by positioning yourself as a specialist, you can stand out in a crowded job market and appeal to employers who are looking for someone who already understands their industry. Let's face it, the UX market is pretty slow right now, and with fewer openings, competition is tough. There are often over 300 applications for a single UX design role, which is especially hard for junior designers to break in. I know how frustrating it can be, so I've put together something to help. I've created a guide with hundreds of the most common questions you might encounter in UX UI product designer interview, complete with thoughtful answers to help you feel prepared and confident. If you're looking to boost your interview skills and stand out, check out the link in the description. I've packed this guide with all the insights you need to showcase your best self and land that job. You can start by researching emerging trends in various industries, identify which areas align with your interests and skills, and once you've pinpointed a niche, tailor your portfolio to showcase projects and experiences relevant to that area. For example, if you are focusing on e-commerce, include case studies that demonstrate your ability to enhance user shopping experiences and drive conversions. And highlighting your problem-solving skills and successes within that niche will help you stand out and attract employers who need exactly what you offer. And next is to tailor your applications. Generic applications often get lost in the shuffle, and to increase your chances of landing an interview, it's crucial to tailor your resume and cover letter specifically for each job you apply. This also ensures your application passes through applicant tracking system ATS, which are used by many companies to filter candidates before human eyes even see the resume. These systems scan resumes and cover letters for keywords and phrases related to the job description. If your application doesn't contain these keywords, it might not make it past the initial electronic screening. And here's how you can effectively tailor your application. First of all, you have to carefully read the job posting and make a list of the key skills, qualifications, and responsibility mentioned, and pay attention to repeated terms and phrases. These are likely the keywords that the ATS will be looking for. And then integrate these keywords naturally into the resume and cover letter. For instance, if the job listing emphasizes user research and wireframing, make sure these terms appear in your documents where relevant. Also, if the position requires expertise in mobile UX design and you have relevant experience, make sure that that stands out prominently. Also, ensure that the job titles and skills you list on your resume align with those in the job description. For example, if the role calls for interaction design, but your resume says UI design, consider updating it to reflect the terminology used in the job posting. And while it's important to include keywords, also ensure that your resume is formatted in a way that it's readable by ATS, and avoid complex layouts, graphics, or unusual fonts, as these can confuse the system. Next, what you can do is to focus on cross-disciplinary skills, as UX design often intersects with the other disciplines like product management, marketing, and development. So having skills in these areas can make you a more versatile and valuable candidate. Employers, they just appreciate designers who understand the broader context of their work and can collaborate efficiently with the other teams. That cross-disciplinary skills can enhance your ability to contribute to different aspects of a project, and so invest time in learning about related fields such as product management or data analysis, and take online courses or attend workshops to build these skills. Highlight how these cross-disciplinary experiences have informed your UX design work and improved your project outcomes. Next is apply to startups and smaller companies. And why is that important? Just because startups and smaller companies often have more urgent hiring needs and can be more flexible in their hiring process. These organizations may not have the same level of competition as larger companies and can offer quicker hiring decisions. So focus on startups and smaller companies that are growing or scaling, and check platforms like Welcome to the Jungle or Crunchbase for up-and-coming companies. Tailor your application to emphasize how your UX skills can help them solve immediate challenges. And also create a video resume or portfolio. I think that's very important. And it's because a video resume or portfolio can make a memorable impression and highlight your communication skills and personality. This format can stand out in a crowded field and allow you to convey enthusiasm and unique personal touch that a traditional resume might not. And record just a short video introducing yourself, summarizing your key skills and showcasing a couple of your most impressive projects, and keep it concise and professional, but just share this video on your portfolio site or LinkedIn profile. Be sure to provide context for each project and how it related to the job you're seeking. Also, make sure to optimize your LinkedIn profile for advanced searches. LinkedIn is a powerful tool, of course, for job searching, but its full potential is often underutilized. Many recruiters use LinkedIn's advanced search features to find candidates with specific skills and experiences. So use LinkedIn's keyword optimization tools to align your profile with common search terms used in job listings, and incorporate relevant keywords into your headlines, summary, and experience sections. And last but not least, of course, test your resume. Use tools like JobScan or Resume Awarded to test your resume against ATS systems and see how well it performs. And it's great because these tools can provide feedback on keywords usage and formatting, but still keep it updated. Regularly update your resume with the latest projects and skills. That's very important. And ensure that it reflects current UX trends and your most recent achievements. So focus on showcasing your unique approach, building your personal brand, and continuously improving your skills to stand out and secure the job you're aiming for. Please share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I would love to hear what strategies you found effective. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!